Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. But today I'm going to be checking out my birds. That right there is Lamo. And the one in the back is Dala. She's all the way in the back right there. And I'm going to be showing you Dala out of her cage. And their setup, which they have food right there, they had water. They have a ton of branches because they're cockatoos. I think that, yeah, those are cockatoos. And so let's get Dala out of her cage. And 1, 2. Wait 1 second. 1 second, we're gonna get her out in 1, 2. Did I mess something up? No. 1, 2. So this is Dala.
Oh, we lost a feather.
Lost a feather down there. This is one of our cockatoos, right? That's a cockatoo.
Mm-hmm. She's a Goffman's cockatoo.
A Goffman's cockatoo. Her name's Dala. We have that one back there. If I already told you, Lamo. She didn't want to come out.
Oh, your feathers messed up. It's taking forever to put them all back where they go.
She was pretty. She didn't like coming out, so it was pretty difficult.
Okay, is there anything else that we want to see? Oh, more scratching of the head. Okay. Oh, very vicious. Very vicious.
Probably not.
You can see that she has new feathers coming in. They come in little wax cones like that, and then she picks the wax off, and the feathers come out.
Like that one did come out.
Well, no, it fell out, but they come in these little pin cones, and then she'll pick the wax off them, and then they expand out to feathers. There's one right here, if you can see it.
Mm-hmm.
So she's having new feathers come in.
What's Lamo's breed?
She is a rose-breasted cockatoo.
And she's the one that can fly.
She can fly. Yeah, she come out. She's hiding.
She's hiding.
You want to go back up? There you go. Okay, anything else?
No, I think that's pretty much it.
Okay.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed our little video about our cockatoos. They both live in Australia. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.